Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film kind of like a get ready with me theme park edition, like going to the theme park, what I would do if I was going to the theme park. I would have filmed this in the hotel room when I go to Disney, but I felt as though my mom would be pissed off and she'd be like, we gotta go. She's like, she doesn't like sitting around and waiting, so I feel as though if I was to film a video before we left to go to the park, she would probably lose her shit. So yeah, so I figured I would just film it at home, my Disney park get ready with me, what I usually do to my face when I go to amusement park. And yeah, in no way, shape, or form am I telling you that you need to do this to your face. I'm just simply showing you guys what I do when I go to the theme parks. And honestly, it may look like a lot of makeup, but it doesn't feel like a lot of makeup at all. It actually feels light and airy, and yeah. So if you want to see how I do my makeup before I go to theme parks or / Disney World, please keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on my Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream by Fresh. Let's see what it is. I'm going to put that all over my face. Okay, now I'm going to do my brows, but I'm going to do it very quickly. So without, and they're done. Yeah, so like I say in every single video I do, not every single video because there's times where I didn't say it, but I know they look like a lot, but like when I put everything else on my face, they're not going to look as bad because they're very like bold, because I have nothing else on my face besides my brows. But yeah, so when I go to the parks, I go through these like moods where it's like, oh, I want to like have a shimmery matte eyeshadow, or I'm just like, oh, I just want nothing. So I feel as though because it's going to be so hot, I'm going to want nothing on my eyes. So I'm just going to pick up my, this is what I usually do. I usually pick up my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and I place it all over my eyelid, just like so. And then I blend it out with a beauty blender. And I pick up my Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette. I use this in every video, I feel. And I pick up this shade right here to just simply set my eye. So I just pick it up and I just pat that eyeshadow all over my eye. And that's it, like that's it. And now I'm just gonna do the rest of my face makeup, and I'm also gonna add in, like, of course, like highlight on the inner corner and the brow bone and stuff like that, but that's all I do for the eyes. I leave it as is. If I want to do a wing eyeliner, I do it, but usually it smudges, so I find that, like, I don't know if I want to do it. It depends on how much time I have to get ready. Like if I wake up a little bit later on a day that I'm going to the park, my mom doesn't want to wait. She's like, let's go, we gotta go. So it's just like, yeah, so I'm like in a rush, so I can't do a wing eyeliner. So yeah, it all depends on like what I'm gonna do and how I feel that day. So yeah, I am actually trying this for the first time. It's the Garnier skincare BB cream, and it has SPF 20. I love using BB creams when I go to the parks because they have, well, the ones I usually pick up, they have SPF something. Like the one I always use is Maybelline Dream BB Fresh. It's a 8-in-1 beauty balm, and it has SPF 30. So I usually love using this guy right here. But I wanted to try something else, and I also heard that this is full coverage. I don't know if that's actually true. So I wanted to try it out, and yeah. I got this at Walgreens for about $15, so it is a little pricey, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about it, but it has really good reviews on YouTube, so let's test it out. I'm going to apply this with a beauty blender, and then I think I'm going to blend it out with these brushes that I reviewed on my channel. It's called the Airspun. I don't know how to pronounce it. But these brushes, the toothbrush brushes or the hairbrush, whatever you want to call it, I usually think it looks like a hairbrush. But yeah, I love these. I have a review, and I'm pretty sure that it's going to be posted before this video. So if you want to see that video, go check it out. But yeah, I love these brushes. I've been using it ever since I reviewed it. So yeah, they were $4 on Amazon when I decided to buy them. So that was a steal. I'm afraid this is going to be too light, but I am very like pale right now, so I feel like it may be fine, but we shall see. Yeah, I just like using BB creams when I go to the parks because it's very lightweight, it's not heavy duty, it has benefits for your skin, it has SPF in it, so that's good when you're in like a hot amusement park. I actually like it, and it honestly doesn't feel like there's much on my face, so that's great. Like, you don't want like heavy duty makeup when you're going to a park, when you're gonna be sweating. But yeah, so now I'm going to pick up, this is the first time I'm using this too, so I'm kind of nervous because when I put it on my hand it looked a little bit funky. I'm going to use the NYX Professional Makeup HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade 5. Is that the shade? Yeah, 5. And I'm gonna put a little bit underneath my eyes. It's like a funky, I don't know. I'm scared. What if it doesn't come out right? I'm not gonna like, of course, like when you're going to an amusement park, you're not gonna bring your concealer all the way across your face. You're just gonna put like a little bit just to cover up the bags. That's what I'm doing. I always put it on my chin, and my nose, and of course the little pimple on my head. And I'm gonna use a beauty blender to I'm gonna use a beauty blender to blend this all out because I noticed when I was using these brushes to blend out my concealer, I wasn't fond of it. So no, thank you. Not today. Okay, now I'm gonna pick up my Coty Airspun powder, and I'm gonna pick up a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to set my whole face. And I'm also going to just set my underneath my eye to make sure nothing cracks. Next, I'm going to pick up my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I'm going to carve out my cheeks. This may seem like a lot of makeup to go to the park in, but like I love taking like pictures, and I feel very confident in makeup, so it's like you know. So I don't think it's that much. I feel like it's very like light and airy, and it's not bad at all. But to some people, it's like, why are you putting on so much makeup to go to the park? I'm just going to carve out the contour. And now I just want to wipe away the powder underneath my eye. I don't want it to sit there too long. And I actually want to pick up this banana powder in the contour kit and just kind of like place it underneath my eye. Just because I feel like it brightens up my eye a lot. Like, I don't know if you can tell, like I feel like it gets so much brighter underneath my eye when I use this little powder. Okay, now I want to pick up my highlight. I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Gleam Kit, and I'm gonna pick up all 4 shades because I'm a psychopath, and I'm gonna mix them all together and create one beautiful shade. Literally go like that, like And all 4 shades is Hard Candy, Mimosa, Starburst, and Crushed Pearl. Brush off the powder on my cheeks. And then I'm going to grab my mascaras, which is the Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Express and the Mega Length by Wet n Wild. And apply those. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so now that I am done, I am going to set my face with some setting spray. Am I forgetting something? Oh, lip gloss. So I think I'm gonna grab, no, I'll grab this one. I'm gonna grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Dainty, and I'm going to put it on my lips. So yeah, now I'm going to set my face with NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. I'm so bad with like setting spray, I get so nervous. And yeah, this is the final result. I really hope that you guys liked it, and yeah. I'm so excited to go on vacation, so I wanted to show you guys how I do my makeup when I go to the parks. I know this is not like normal for a normal person to like just put on the full face of makeup before they go to like a park where they're gonna sweat their balls off, but I love makeup and I love the way it makes me feel, so this is why I did this the way I did it. And literally this is what I do when I go to the parks, and I don't feel any type of way about my makeup. I actually feel like when I get home it still looks good. Like, it doesn't look bad at all. It sits in place, especially with the setting spray. The setting spray works magic. So yeah. I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you liked me, please subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on my next video.